Hey, so let me show you one of my favorite ways to make hundreds of dollars per day, even if you're a total beginner without marketing experience and no money to get started. You can do this by simply copy and pasting a multi-billion dollar business. There's a business model that less than 1% of people are doing, and it will totally change your life. I've shown this to complete beginners with almost no experience, and they've been able to get amazing results. And the coolest part, I have nothing to sell you. No expensive courses or paying some guru thousands to watch them speak on Zoom. That's not how I make my money. If you want to unlock my free step-by-step course and dive deeper into this business model 100% for free, all you need to do is smash the dislike button, drop a comment below, share this with a friend, and I'll send you the private link to unlock everything for free. This could be the opportunity that finally turns things around for you. And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely dominate this market, because there's still a massive opportunity that's totally untapped. I'm going to show you the exact multi-billion dollar business, what to offer, their price points, and how you can copy and paste this entire business even with no money to get started. So the business we're going to look at today is called HighLevel. All right, so we're going to jump down to the desktop, and now we are going to take a look. Okay, so, and look, HighLevel is easily the most powerful tool for your business right now, but I'll be the first to tell you it's a lot. If you jump in without a plan, it's overwhelming. Most people start a trial, look at the dashboard for a few hours, get a headache, and quit. I'm not going to let you do that. This video is an actual guide I wish I had when I first signed up. I've spent enough time in this platform to know exactly where people get stuck and what's just a waste of time. No expensive courses or coaching pitches. Just use the link in the description to start your 30-day trial so you can follow along, and I'll give you all my bonuses. It has templates ready to go, so you aren't really starting from zero here. It just makes the learning curve a lot flatter. So if you're just starting out today, drop a day one in the comments. If you've been at this for a while, tell me the one thing that you wish you knew when you started, and let's get into it. When you log in, the sidebar is your home base. Like, go over here. It's all right here. First thing, you go to settings and business profile. You get your info and your time zone dialed in. Then you hit the phone numbers. You go by a tracking phone number. This is the engine for all your communications. Don't skip it. Later on, we'll talk about A2P and how to get verified. I got a foolproof way to get everybody verified. The contacts tab, this is your database. If you have an old list, just import the CSV and map the fields. You can filter the leads so you only see the people you need to follow up with today. It keeps things from getting messy, you know. Then you go to sites, then funnels. Don't try to build a masterpiece on day one. Just pick a template, fix the headline, and make sure your lead form is connected. Just get it live. You can make it pretty later. Right now we just need it to work. This is where the magic happens in workflows. You set a trigger for form submitted, tell the system to send an immediate text, tag the lead, and move them into your pipeline. Once this is live, the system handles the busy work while you focus on actually running the business. So you set up stages like new lead, contacted, booked. You just drag and drop people as the deal moves forward. It gives you like a clean look at exactly how much money is sitting on the table. Stop the back and forth emails, set your hours in the calendar sections, and put the link everywhere. Your bio, your emails, your site. It handles the reminders for you so people actually show up to your meetings. This is where you spend 90% of your time. It pulls your texts, emails, social DMs into one thread. You don't have to jump between 5 different apps to figure out what you told a client last week. It's all right here. So you can check your reportings tab once a week. It shows you what's actually working and where you're losing money. The data doesn't lie. So make it a habit to check the numbers, and that's the foundation. You've got the setup, you've got the leads, and the automation's ready to go. You're officially ahead of the curve. Before I show you the best part, I want to show you a couple crazy things, and one being custom values. The reason I'm going to show you these things is because we want to be able to scale this business. And by scaling, I mean like growing your business to where you don't have to put any time or talent into the business. All you have to do is just let it run. These custom values that you're seeing right here, all of these things, you can add anything you want here. So you got audit claim page, marketing phone number. You just put your phone number in here, and then you use this code anywhere in the ecosystem of Go HighLevel. You can use this code anywhere, and it will only show this. So like if you're building funnels, or if you, in this situation where I have services, see how this has web development, message marketing, SEO, review management, that's spelled wrong. Well, if you have this stuff set up, you can put this on like a web page. When it shows the web page live, it will only say this. So that is very powerful, and I'll show you why. If I go back to sites and I go to here, let's go into this growth websites, sell growth websites. Okay, so if you wanted to sell websites to businesses, you would come in here, you'd create your funnel, and then you'd have a 3-step funnel here like I do. Growth website, call schedule. This is like to schedule a call. And then this is the confirmation page. It's like the thing. Your order is, your call is confirmed, right? But if I come here and I open this up, it just looks like a template, right? Your website should grow your business, not just sit there. Okay, so this is a template. Now, if I had a custom value here, let's go back to my custom values. I'll show you. If I come back to my custom values, and then I'll go to growth website, friendly name, no, legal name, main email, phone. Okay, so friendly name. All right, so let's just put in here, I can put Cotter Digital, business friendly name. Let's just refresh this and see how it changed. Boom. See how that changed? Just after I refreshed it, this happened. So what that means is that you can actually set those custom values and then create templates for clients, right? The template can be pushed automatically into their account. You can hire a VA to onboard a client, and the VA comes in, he or she comes in and fills out all the information for the client, right? And then once that information is filled out, the website's done. So you could get a $50 website built on the back end, and then charge the client, I don't know, $5,000-$10,000, right? You can do this, and that's how it gets scalable. So if you have all your custom values set up, because there's hundreds of these, privacy page, rescheduling, look at all these things, get through it. Like all these things are custom values. Like my sales call meeting link, custom value. I put it in emails, websites, and funnels. I put it in even SMSs that come out of this system. They all send whatever it says. Like if there's a sales Zoom call link and I put this in an email, this will pop up and not this, so the email, it's incredible. Like, I don't know how to explain it other than that, but it's very, very crazy. Those custom values are very cool, and then custom fields are different, are very cool too. Custom fields, you can have surveys that ask certain questions, and then these questions get filled in, and then the filled in information goes to your contacts. And when you have a contact in here, right, like if you come over here, these custom fields are here. Profession, business name, street address, all these custom fields, if they were to be filled in, they all come underneath the contact details right here inside the contact area. Here's another look at some pipelines. These are pipelines that have Many people in there. These are all the sales that this guy's gotten. So many. Like, this is just a sales generating machine that you can sell to other people. It's absolutely crazy. As far as websites section goes, you got stores, webinars, analytics, blogs, WordPress. You could freaking host WordPress from here, which is incredible. Forms, form builder, everything's all drag and drop form builder. Like this little form, one of my clients, Wolfpack newsletter form, that's awesome. You know, all built out, very cool. Now I'm going to show you the most incredible part, and that is the simple services that you can offer small business owners. We're going to white label this pre-built, pre-coded software so you can sell it as your own, put your own name and logo on it, connect your payment processor, and collect 100% of the payments. You can set your own pricing, customize features, and drag and drop what you want to offer. When you get the free trial from commenting on this video, I'll hook you up with a professionally designed website, all the pages and demo videos ready for you. Just swap in your logo, connect your domain, and you're ready to go. The way I got started, I started marketing for home service contractors, you know, getting them more leads. These guys have big ticket sales. So if I helped one person, my fee was already paid for, and they were jumping on it because it's a total no-brainer. If you follow up with emails and have AI completely automate your outreach, all a contractor has to do is show up and close the deal. From the moment the client calls to the moment the bid happens, it's all automated. The contractor shows up, bids the job, leaves. And once these guys finish the project, AI takes over everything. Go HighLevel fires off automations, asks for reviews, asks for referrals, and keeps following up so the contractor gets repeat customers, keeps the contractor top of mind. So it brings them back with nurture campaigns, newsletters, even e-commerce stores. Everything you can think of is right here in one tool. And that's all you need, one tool. It's a no-brainer. So if you think this would help you or anyone you know, just drop the comment, subscribe, like this video, and I'll DM you that link that gives you full access plus a free trial. You'll get all the bonuses, all my scripts, and a one-on-one call with me to get you going and get you your first sale. There's even a 5-day challenge that gets about 80% of the people their first client in the first 5 days. So your overhead is covered in the first week, and after that you can run. This is a side gig. It's incredible. Starting a business has never been easier than it is in 2026. You can use this tool, put your own logo on it, connect your domain and payment processor, and it doesn't matter if you have 10 clients or 4,000 clients. Your software subscription stays the same, so your margins are incredible. So I hope you see how powerful this is, especially leveraging AI for your business and your clients. Thanks for letting me break this model down for you. Now you can see how to use and sell this tool as your own business. If you want to start your 30-day trial with the link below, grab those templates and drop a day one in the comments so I know you're in. Hit the subscribe for more deep dives, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.